Glass transforms space. And behind every breakthrough in its transformation, that's where we are, Turomas. It all started with a simple question. What if there was a more efficient way to cut glass? In 1985, in a workshop in Rubielos de Mora, an idea was born, and with it, a family company that sought to solve a real problem, to facilitate daily work with glass. Family, territory, commitment. What began in a small workshop, today, 40 years later, has become a world benchmark company in machinery for storage, loading, cutting, and handling glass. We offer global solutions and a comprehensive service covering the before, during, and after sale of each machine. We operate in more than 100 countries and with a wide network of collaborators. Our evolution has been born from the close relationship with our customers. Along with our headquarters in Spain, we have 4 other branches in Mexico, Colombia, Chile, and Argentina. Today, we are more than 100 people designing, manufacturing, and exporting cutting-edge technology. We maintain the spirit of a family business with the strength of an international brand. From the first sketch to the final assembly, we combine innovation, technology, and expertise to deliver exact, efficient, and safe solutions designed for the most demanding challenges. Intelligent machines that respond to real industry challenges. At Turomas, we offer products to solve every stage of glass processing. Automatic glass storage and loading. Cutting machines for float glass. Cutting machines for laminated glass. Automatic glass breakout systems. Software products. Customized projects and special integrations. And all with one goal, that our customers work faster, with more accuracy, and with total confidence. Always looking for maximum efficiency and quality. It's our commitment to excellence. We are technology and engineering, but above all, we are people. Every client who trusts us is unique, with their own challenges. That's why we don't just manufacture machines. We build customized solutions and long-lasting relationships. The future is built with vision, innovation, and commitment. Because at Turomas, our passion is your progress.